Hello, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Reversed TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to get a free reverse mortgage info kit, hit me up down below in the comment section, or I'll leave my phone number and email address and get back to you. If I'm not licensed in the state that you live in, I'll connect you with an excellent reverse mortgage professional that is licensed in the state you reside in. With that said, let's dive in. Today I'll be talking about reverse mortgage credit score requirements. So, good question. What are the reverse mortgage credit score requirements? Quite simply put, for the FHA reverse mortgage, there really aren't, and I'll explain. Now, with reverse mortgages, there's two types of reverse mortgages: the FHA reverse mortgage or private/jumbo reverse mortgage. They're totally different. First, I'll talk about the credit score requirements for FHA reverse mortgages. Simply put, there are no credit score requirements. It's actually a pretty cool loan. That's one of the things I love about it. However, we do look at a few certain things to ascertain whether we can give you the loan or how we have to give you the loan. I'll explain further. So with a reverse mortgage, you can potentially get it with no strings attached with a 500 credit score or even lower. We look at something above and beyond that. We look at your pay history for housing and installments for the last 2 years and your revolving pay history for the last 1 year. So in terms of housing and installments, that's things like your mortgage payment, your property taxes, and installments would include things like car payments, etc. You can have lates in the last 2 years up to 30 days, 30-day lates. You can have up to 2 and still be okay. Now, if you have more than 2, it doesn't mean you can't get the reverse mortgage. It just means that we'll have to create a tax and insurance escrow account for you, and it can make it harder to qualify. But you can still do it. For your revolving bills, you're allowed any number of 30-day lates in the last 1 year. You can even have some 60-day lates. You just can't have too many. And once you have 90-day lates, you're going to have one of those tax and insurance set-asides. The only exception being is if there are extenuating circumstances, and your loan officer can guide you in terms of that. So that's it in a nutshell for the FHA reverse mortgage. There really aren't credit score requirements. Now, for the private or jumbo reverse mortgage, it depends on the lender. There's about 5 different lenders that do the private reverse mortgages. There might be a ton of different brokers that do it, but they all pull the money and use the same lenders for this program. Now, each one varies. For example, one of the jumbo lenders I work with has a hard cutoff of a 640, and that's it. End of story. I have another one that's at 620, another one that's at 600. They all seem to be around 600 to 620, but it doesn't mean you can't get a reverse mortgage. Once again, if you don't pass the credit score requirement or the financial assessment, then you just simply need to have a tax and insurance escrow account. You'll definitely want to just discuss this with your loan officer and see how to structure it. And if you're working with a broker, which I highly recommend, he can place you with the right lender. Nice thing about brokers is they can work with several different lenders, and they're not just bound to one set of guidelines like if you go straight to the lender themselves. So hope that answers any questions you may have about the reverse mortgage credit score requirements. Please hit me up if you want to get a free reverse mortgage info kit. I'd love to help you. Information is down below, my phone number and my email address. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your day.